Hello everyone. My name is Anamika and I am from University School of Management GGS IPU. Today I am going to present my topic on CSR in Russia. Moving forward to next slide. What is corporate social responsibility? Corporate social responsibility is a type of international private business that aim to contribute to society. CSR is entitled to aim an organization's mission as well as to serve as a guide to what the company represents for its customers. Business ethics is a part of applied ethics that examine ethical principles or moral or ethical problems that can arise in a business environment. Now, moving forward, what is CSR in Russia? As we know that Russian leading companies are well known for business sectors. Corporate social responsibility in Russian Federation, a conceptualized approach, has emerged as a concept for business from within developed Western countries. Such economies are underpinned by functioning institutions which complying with regulation is assumed. Next slide is advantage of CSR in Russia. First is improved financial indicators. We can improve financial indicators by developed social policy, clear attitude of company towards environment protection and personal relation may affect finance indicators. Next is reduced operating expenses. We can reduce our operating expenses by developed policy of social responsibility allow the company's operating expenses to be lowered. In particular, initiatives aimed at improving ecological production safety. For example, reduction in gas emission, cutting toxic chemicals in agriculture, also lower expenses. Next is improved image and brand reputation. We can reduce improved image and brand reputation by plenty of goods and create choice at marketplace condition in which the customer's choice of this and that good is affected by or not affected by its price but also by the other factors. According to numerous researchers, one of the such factor is reputation. Next is gain in sale and loyal customers. We can gain sales and loyal customers by well developed policy of social responsibilities may essentially affect the company's sales and customer loyalty. Next is reduced fluctuation of personnel and improved personal loyalty. We can reduce fluctuation of personnel, improve personal loyalty, improve personal motivation. These companies have a well developed policy of social responsibility earlier attract personas, reduce personal fluctuation, cut expenses on personal training due to law fluctuation. In 2001, more than 50% of MBA graduates gave their references to those companies which were famous for their social responsibility and essential social programs. Next is reduce pressure of inspecting bodies. Now next topic is need of CSR in Russia. First is presence of well planned priorities in corporate social policies, clear conversion with audience. Combination of policies and treatment of corporate product will lead to improvement in gain customer attraction and to motivate personnel. Next is combination of policies and treatment of corporate product or business. Competitive selection of strategies helps them to select best alternative and right course of action which helps them to contribute to society more effectively and efficiently. Next is competitive selection of program for social investments. Combination of both policies and treatment of corporate product will lead to improvement in gain customer attraction and to motivate personnel. Next is relation of corporate social programs with corporate reputation and brands. As we know that the brand reputation plays a crucial role in an organization. Next topic is opportunities of CSR in Russia. First is the Russian study scientists confirm the presence of positive impact on the economic presence of socially responsible companies. This study of foreign experts were conducted in order to validate the effectiveness of implementation of principles of social responsibilities. Next is in recent years, growth in number of companies is observed in Russia, which seeks to build their social policies on the principles of social responsibility. Next is awareness of the importance of social policy and show the lately research conducted by Association of Managers of Russia, namely the result of Forum People Investor 2015. As we know that the study of KMPG, one of the largest networking in the world providing consulting service, our country ranked only 22nd among the countries that provide reporting on social performance. In recent years, growth in the number of companies is observed in Russia, which seeks to develop their social policies on principles of social responsibility. Now, next slide is threats of CSR in Russia. First is Russian realize of realities of the majority of experts highlighting the high cost of social inclusion and the violation of the principles of profit maximization. Among the main threat of the implementation of CSR in Russia realize of the majority of experts highlighting the high cost of social inclusion and the violation of principles of profit maximization. The main purpose of the business is to reduce the profit, so it's quite understandable reluctant of owners to reduce its business by investing in the development of society. Next is monopolization and oligopolization market in Russia. There is rather low level of competition in connection with the circumstances. CSR principles are used by companies as mean of competition, as is the case of developed countries. In the context of monopolization and oligopolization market in Russia, there is rather low level of competition. As we know that CSR in Russia is most developed in personal development, workplace, health and safety, corporate philanthropy and PR related support. Thank you so much.